To share a large file with another user, simply go to Email Job, select Emailed Files, press Next, click the Add Files button. This will open Windows Explorer, allow you to browse to the file you want to send. Simply select the file, click Open. This will add to the list of files that you are going to send. You can also add additional files by clicking More Files. You have the option of zipping the file before you send it. So if you're using a rather large file, you'll want to zip that. Simply click Next. Again, enter your contact information if it hasn't already been populated. Enter your email. Enter the recipient email or select from your Outlook contact list. Click Next. Just as in emailing plans or emailing screenshots, that file will be compressed, uploaded to our secure server. Your recipient will receive a download link via email.